Please subscribe to Milind's Perception and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.
In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can make a professional and full HD thumbnail for your YouTube video. So my name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel Milind's Perception. Welcome you all to another video. I am going to tell you that how you can make a professional and HD thumbnail for your YouTube video on your mobile. So with the help of mobile you can make it, and I recommend you to two applications you can download from the Play Store. One is the Pixel Lab and the second one is the Canva. And you can see, you have seen actually the thumbnail of this video. Actually I have made it on the Canva. So first we are going to start with the Pixel Lab. I will tell you how it is pretty simple to make a thumbnail, and after that I will make a thumbnail on Canva. That is the thumbnail of this video. You can see that. And again I would like to tell you that when a person want to click on your video, when your thumbnail is good and your thumbnail, and then only the people click on it. So without wasting any further time, let's go start with the let's see the mobile screen of my phone. Thank you very much.
So first we are going to start with the Pixel Lab application. I have opened it, and now you can see here it is asking you whether you want your previous or not. So you can, here you can say that I have first you have to select the image size, and you have to select it the YouTube thumbnail. After that, below you can see the different kind of background, and after that you have to click on that, and you can take the images from your photos. So I have click on here, and this is the image. Then you can adjust it as your requirement. I have just make it like that. Again we have to click on the plus sign and go to the gallery and take the photographs. Now I am here on the photos. You can see that I have selected this photograph, and then you can crop it. Now I am just cropping it to make it adjustable. So okay, you can make all the things. You just follow the step by step this setting. Then I have just make it small, and I have adjusted here at the right corner. Now again you have to click on the plus sign to take a text, and then you have to adjust it where you wanted to write down the text. Then you have to simply type it what you actually wanted to do. So here I have typed the Lenovo IdeaPad S145, and then you can see the below there are some options, and you have to click on the A sign. So here you can see various options. You can adjust the settings, you can also change the color. Now I'm changing the color of it. You can choose any kind of color, it depends on you, but you have to make a color which should be attractive. So here I have selected the green color, because YouTube have a three color, white, black and red. So therefore you have to choose another color. Then again you can choose the font, and personally I like the Amarnath bold font, and here you have a lot of options. So after that you can also make a background color, and I have made the background color black, so you know that it looks nice. So after that you can adjust it, and then you have to click on the stroke and make a stroke, and then you have to OK. Then again you can see there are a lot of options, and then again you can also make change the color which you like. Actually I am just changing the color so it looks pretty. Now again you have to click on the plus sign, then text, and I have dropped it below. Again you have to click on the plus sign, then take a new text, and you have to put it. I have put it on the below of the laptop image, and here I have written the full review. Again you have to click on the A sign, and here you can change the size of the text, and you can adjust it. I have adjusted it, and after that I have clicked on color, and here I am going to click on the yellow color, because you know that the color combination should be good there, and it should look something different. Then you have to click on OK, and again you can also add background. You can also I have added the background. You can also change the font size. I have not changed it, and then you have to click on the stroke, and you have to enable it on. Then you have to click OK button, and after that you can see that it looks like that, and then below the plus sign there is a save button, and you can click on the save the button. And here you have a lot of option. You have to click on the ultra. You can also use the high or very high, but you have to click on the HD. So here you can see that I have put it on my YouTube video. So now we are going to do it with another application, that is the Canvas. And here I have opened the Canva application, and you can see this kind of a surprise on the Canva mobile app. And this video's thumbnail I have made on the Canvas, and now I'm going to make it this video's thumbnail. So here there are a lot of options. You can make a Facebook, Instagram, and such kind of a YouTube banner and YouTube thumbnail also. So I have opened the YouTube thumbnail, and I have to open the blank here. So here you can see the plus option, and you can choose the photo from the gallery, and I have chosen this photo from the gallery, and you can adjust it as you like. So here you can say that I have adjusting it as I like it. Okay, so it should look nice and great. So you can adjust your photo according to your requirement. After that you have to again click on the plus sign, then you have to click on the text side, and here there are a lot of options of formats, font size. You can choose it, and I have chosen this James and Kitty because I like this font, and simply I have clicked on it. And then you have to adjust it where actually you want to put your text, and after that you have to delete the text, and you have to write down your own text. So here I'm going to write down that HD thumbnail on mobile. So you can see I'm typing HD thumbnail on mobile. So after typing, you have to adjust the size of it, and you can click on the size, and you can adjust the size. I have decreased the size, and then I have adjusted where the text should be there. And after that you can click on the color option, and you can choose different kind of a color. So here I would like to make it a yellow color, so I have clicked on the yellow color. So here the color has not come, so you have to click on the text first, and after that the text convert into that color. So you can see that it looks nice now. So again you have to click on the OK button, and then there is something I should add, that is the YouTube image, YouTube sign image. There should be, and you can also adjust it the font size. So now again you have to click on the plus button, and then you have to go to the gallery, and then in the gallery I have already downloaded the image of YouTube. So I went to the downloaded page, and here scroll down, it is downloaded, and here is the YouTube image. So simply I adjust it in the below of my mobile phone, and simply I click on the OK, and then you can see that the arrow which is the below arrow, okay, you can see that, and I have simply click on it, and it starting preparing your design, and then you can share it. So now I am sharing on WhatsApp to my another number, and here it is my another number written as Nirwan, and I simply clicked on it, and then send on the WhatsApp. So it also saved to your gallery also, and you can also send to WhatsApp. So you can see that how it looks. Okay, it is a professionally, and HD quality is there, and I can also show you like this. So it is beautiful, you can say it looks very beautiful. So hey guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel.